Okay, so the first thing that you're going to do is figure out where on your hand you want it to be cut. I started at my pinky and then I just made a line horizontally all the way down to the opposite side of my wrist. You want to use the hand that you are not predominant in. So I am left-handed, so I will be doing this look on my right hand. So after you've applied your first thin layer of liquid latex, you're going to then apply a unraveled cotton ball onto the liquid latex and then remove any excess cotton that has not adhered to the liquid latex. So after that, you're going to add another layer of liquid latex on top of that cotton. We're going to be working in thin layers. This just helps the liquid latex dry faster so that we can move on. So you want to repeat that step about 3 times or until you feel that it is thick enough to mimic real skin. So I do mine about 3 to 4 times and then I begin to blow dry it dry because don't nobody have time to be sitting there waiting for the liquid latex to dry on its own. So then I do the same step on the other side. I leave a thin piece of my skin revealed. This is going to create the illusion of it being chopped in half or chopped horizontally in this case. And I just, after I've blow dried the other half, I take my little popsicle stick and create a little pocket on both sides. This is going to look like skin and lift up like skin, revealing my actual skin under. So now I'm going to take a foundation. This is a concealer and foundation in Clinique. I like this one because it has a concealer built in, so it gives a lot of coverage. So I'm just gonna blend that into my real skin and into the latex, trying to make it mimic what my real skin looks like. So you just want to make sure all the white parts of your liquid latex is covered in foundation or concealer. And then you are going to repeat that same step on the other side. But on this side, we are going to be using a foundation or concealer that is way darker or way lighter, depending on your skin complexion or the look that you are going for. So I just blend that in, and I like to use a popsicle stick when I need to do a full coverage look. It kind of just paints it on, and then I blend it out with a beauty sponge. Now I'm going to be taking my black blue eyeshadow, and where my real skin is revealed between the 2 liquid latex patches, I'm going to be putting a black color to give the illusion of depth and a shadow. And once I have that color laid down, I'm going to be using my blood jelly and just putting it all in there. You want to make sure that you get within the pocket so that when you move your hands, you don't see any white. And now I'm going to be using a blush and purple eyeshadow to create the illusion of irritation. And now I am just going in with more jelly blood to make it look like the blood is everywhere, and I am done.